What up? It's Car Junkie Reviews here, and I recently just got Hulk back. You know, it's still a work in progress. There's a lot that needs to be done, and there's minor stuff. I did some slight modifications, which I've been telling you guys in the past, like videos, and I'm going to talk about those too and say what needs to be done. And I'm also going to hint at the next video, and I hope you guys like it. So far right here, I got the Hellcat hood, and we painted it satin black, and honestly, it came out really nice. And then I also put the wide body wheels. So those are 245s in the front and then 275s in the back. As you can tell, the paint matched perfectly. You can't even tell it got hit. But there's only one major issue, is we got to figure out a way to push this light, and it's kind of off. And there's still a crack in the windshield. I don't know if you guys could tell. But once we get that done, the car will be perfect. And you would never even tell it got hit. I don't think I'm going to add the Scatpack logo here. I feel like it looks better without it. But man, this car, man, I missed it. The color, it's just different. You don't see these anymore. And it just looks so mean. Yeah, and then I plan on tinting the front windshield too after we fix it. That way it matches. Here's the full car. Those 275s in the back look amazing. So I'm about to do a cold start since it's been a long time since you guys heard this car. Actually, I don't think you guys ever heard this car, but sounds amazing. I don't know, maybe I should keep the car. People are telling me to keep it, and some people are telling me to sell it because after the accident. But man, after the car got done and it came out like that, I don't know, I might have to keep it, guys. It's a tough decision for me, but you know, I can't go wrong with either choice because I have this car. I also have the wide body in the garage, which is not open right now. So yeah, I don't know what we're gonna plan on doing, but if I do end up selling it, but before, I plan on making a comparison video for you guys to show like what the differences are between the wide body and the narrow body. That way you guys can pick and choose if you want the wide body or not. But I'm telling you guys right now, there's a huge difference. You know, this is a 19, the wide body is a 20, so the 20 has a little bit more updates to it, like the tune is different, and also the transmission shifts way different. This one, it shifts a little bit slower than the wide body. I don't know what they did exactly, because they never really talked about it, Dodge, but I don't know. I'm gonna pick and choose, like, I'm gonna like find each difference and show you guys like what they are. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed these videos. I'm really trying for you guys, and you know, check out carbonfanatics.com. The link is going to be in the bio. We're selling carbon fiber steering wheels, and we have a sale going on right now. And you know, get yours before it's too late, before the sale ends. And man, it just looks so nice. I'm going to drive it around a little bit, maybe do some POVs. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Look how funny that is. I'm averaging 9.4. By the way, I don't have tire sensors, so that's why that light is on. But man, here, I'll just go like this. That's crazy. A full tank is 116 mile range. That's funny. So guys, so just in case you guys did not know, actually, so I owned 3 Chargers. So my first Charger was actually a 2017 Charger Daytona, and a yellow jacket color. It was so nice, and honestly, for me, it was a fun car. It had some power. You know, it wasn't fast, but it was enough to, like, you know, have fun with. And then I ended up, a year ago, I got this car, the green, sublime green Charger Scatpack. And honestly, when I got it, the power was, it was different. You know, it still had the jumpiness, but you could tell a lot by the acceleration that it was way faster than the 5.7. And honestly, it was a pretty big difference, and it was a lot lower to the ground and had better handling compared to the 5.7. But then I ended up recently, I just purchased the blue wide body. I got that as an investment at first because these cars do not lose value, and they actually sell more used than you buy brand new, especially because we get these employee pricing because we have family that works for Dodge. So that's why we love these cars. You know, they hold value, they're nice, they're quick, they sound amazing. You know, it may not be the fastest muscle car right now due to the Mustang, the 10 speeds, and the Camaro 10 speeds. But this thing still goes, you know, it's enough for me. I don't need a fast car. You know, I'm having fun with this, and I'm also, you know, I'm not losing any money. That's why we purchased these cars, you know, rather than a Mustang or a Camaro. And, you know, these cars are awesome. and the colors are wild, you know. If you get this car, you got to get a random color, like something different. You got to stand out. But yeah, so you know, I gotta detail this car. You know, it's been about 3 months since I had it. There's still a lot I gotta do to this car. I plan on carpet extracting the whole entire car and vacuuming it. So yeah, I'm gonna do some little acceleration runs. So guys, that was I think a 15 or 16 Mustang GT50. It sounded like it had bolt-ons, but I didn't get a chance to race it because I had to get off the exit. But man, that was a clean Mustang. That gray with those wheels and that spoiler, clean. And if he watches this video, you know, nice car, man. But yeah, we're heading up to my family's dealership right now. My friend is actually behind me in his Altima. We're gonna check his car, see if we can fix it for him. And yeah, I might show you guys the C5 Corvette that my oldest brother just bought. It's convertible. It's a project car. It needs some work, but you know, it's honestly a clean car. I drove it up the street. Drives beautiful. It's pretty quick. It's an auto, but we also have a manual C5. It's a black hardtop one, and that one's fully built. It's cammed, everything, headers, tune. It's almost done. We have to fix the oil, like the oil pressure is still very low, so we got to work on it still, and it's probably going to be done by spring because we're going to take it racing. Corvette we're talking about. Got to fix this, some body work. We got to repaint the stripes. But overall, it's a pretty nice car. There's Hulk. All right, guys. So that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys are happy to see the green car back. You know, I'm gonna make more videos with it before it goes, or if it goes, I don't know yet. And the next video hopefully is gonna be a comparison video of this car against the wide body, and maybe we'll get some races going to see how they compare in racing and straight line. And obviously the wide body handles better, so I don't know. I'll talk about the handling with that car too. But yeah, please hit the like and subscribe button, comment below every type of video you guys want to see, and I'll catch you guys next video.